What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as requested by one of my beautiful subscribers, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my product labels. So first we're gonna go to Canva and we're gonna open the app. If you don't have it yet, download, and we're going to go to the search bar and type in product labels. Once that pops up, we're gonna select, and they give you an entire list of label templates you can choose and you can edit to suit your business. Today we're gonna start with a template. I'm gonna do both. So we're gonna do a template and then we're gonna do one from scratch. So I'm gonna go back up and I'm gonna select a template that I saw earlier. Let's go with this one right here. So you select the template and then you just edit it. You can change the colors to what colors you want. You can rearrange what they have. If you don't really like the positioning, you can just do so much on Canva, you guys, so much. So I'm going to change the color of the leaves. I'm going to go with a pink theme. So I'm going to change the colors. I'm going to do one leaf with a lighter pink and one with kind of a darker, kind of like a what color is that, maroon, I think. Yeah, kind of a light and a dark pink. And we're just gonna play around with everything. We're gonna play around with the fonts, we're gonna change the text, we're gonna rearrange everything to the way we like it, and then we're gonna go to the other template. Well, not the other template, we're gonna do one from scratch. We're gonna start from scratch. So let's just rearrange everything. Let's just add our own name, our own business name. We're gonna make up a business name. So let's go with Boss Babe Cosmetics. Just making up something, and we can choose to name our butter, or we're gonna do a body butter today since that's what's here, and we can just change the name of it. So I'm just gonna think of a name. It doesn't really even matter, but still, you guys know I'm extra. Let's just think of luscious. Let's do luscious. Luscious candy. Yes, let's do luscious candy. And we're just gonna edit everything else. So what you're gonna do is once you select the template, you're just gonna add your business name to the top. You're gonna choose the name that you're naming the product, and then you're just gonna add other information of the product on the label. Whatever you want to be on your label, you're just gonna add it on. So let's just go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys close to the end of this label when we're gonna start the other. See you guys. Okay guys, so you can also add your business logo to Canva, and you can add it onto your label. So what you will do to do this is there's gonna be a plus button at the bottom of the screen where you're editing your labels, and you can select uploads. When you select uploads, you can then upload your logo as an image, and then you can select it and add it onto your labels. So here you guys will just see me editing everything and rearranging, centering the text, just moving around the I don't know what I should call them, the text, just moving it around, like to put it in, to have it line up with everything, just so it looks nice and presentable, guys. Just edit, play around until you see something until you see it the way you want it, until you see something that you would love to see on a product. And I'm going to go to Instagram and copy and save my my QR code, yeah, my Instagram QR code as an image, and then I'm going to add it to my product label so that persons can scan the image on the product, and they can upload their reviews on it or whatever. It will be like a quick link to my Instagram page. So I'm gonna remove the barcode off the label that was already there, and I'm going to add my my QR code, my Instagram page QR code to the label. So here you guys will just see me cropping out the flowers on the QR code background so that we just have the white surface. And also guys, here's a little trick for not adding text all the time. There's going to be two squares on the bottom left of your screen right next to the bin. If you want to copy a text, you can just click on the text box that you want to copy, click the two squares next to the bin, and it will duplicate it. Once it duplicates it, you can then go and remove all the words in that text box, and you can add new words. You can add whatever you want. So I'm just gonna remove it, and I'm gonna add scan to leave a review, and I'm gonna put the scan to leave a review at the bottom of the QR code, so the person can, when they read scan to leave a review, they will then scan the QR code and it will send them directly to our Instagram page where they can leave a review. So here guys, as you can see, the box around the words is quite long, and if you're clicking on other things, this will always pop up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the box smaller so that it's close to the ends of the words. So I'm going to squeeze it in, and then I'm going to make the word smaller again. I'm going to downgrade the font, and then we're going to downsize the font, sorry, and then we're going to put it under our QR code. And what I noticed guys is that the colors are quite different, so what I decided to do was change the colors on our label to match the colors of the QR code, so that it looks better and it looks more in sync with everything, and everything just looks color coordinated. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna adjust as I told you guys. Just keep adjusting, just keep playing around with it until you see what you like. And another easy and amazing thing with Canva, you guys, is that it's easy to make colors, to change colors to what you want. Like as I said, the color on the QR code is much different to the colors on my text. So all I had to do was click on my text, and then Canva shows you the colors in an image. So when it takes you to the color screen, you will see the image, which is the QR code, and you will see all the colors that's associated, oh my goodness, sorry about that guys, that's associated with your image, and then you can just choose one of the colors that's associated with that image to be the color of your font. So I'm going to show you guys this coming up soon as I done typing this text, because as you see, this text is black. So we're gonna have to go back to, oh actually I did not do that, I copied the ingredients and then I changed it, so we wouldn't have to go and change those colors. But you guys will definitely see me on the color screen again soon, and you will see what I meant by you will be able to see the colors within an image. Oh my goodness, you guys, watching over this, I just noticed that I did not spell away correctly. I guess my thumbs are too big. And I didn't even change it. I'm just now watching over the video. I'm not even sure if I went ahead and changed it. But guys, make sure to check your spelling on your labels, and I guarantee my spelling on my labels is always correct. I'm not sure why I didn't even check it on this, to be honest, but make sure to check your grammar on your labels always before you print, guys, because then you will waste paper. All right. So we're just gonna go ahead and keep changing everything as we desire, and adding everything that we want to be on our labels, what should be on our labels. We're just gonna go ahead and keep adding, keep adjusting, keep playing around. We're just gonna keep doing everything until we have our labels the way we want them. And we're finished. This is our final look, guys. So what we're gonna do is you can either hit the download button to the top of the screen, or you can hit the it looks like a up button with a square around it, a half square around it. You're gonna select that, and then you can select save as. You can save as PNG, and you can either save with a transparent background or you can save with the white background. The transparent background will just have the graphics above it, so you can either put them on a black background, a purple, whatever color card you're using. So now we're gonna go ahead and create the product label from scratch. So guys, to make it easy and quick, I'm basically gonna just go back with everything we did on the first label. We're gonna use the same name, the same product name, the same everything we use, but we're just gonna be doing it from scratch this time. So you're gonna add text by hitting the plus button and adding text, and you're gonna play around with the fonts. You're gonna just search for fonts until you find a nice cute font that you want on your product labels. If you don't have a logo, you can add, like I said in the previous video, you can add your logo instead of typing in the business name, like I typed in Boss Babe Cosmetics, or you can just type in Boss Babe Cosmetics or whatever your business name is to the top of your screen in the nice font, or in a font that's similar to your business logo, or you can just do whatever you choose, guys. It's totally up to you, to be honest. It is. So I'm just looking for a nice luscious font for our luscious candy, and we're just gonna keep searching for fonts until we get the nice one we like, and then we're gonna add graphics. We're gonna add what do they call them? What do Canva calls them a name? I can't even remember the name. It's gonna pop up here though when I hit the plus button. Right, elements. We're gonna add elements to our logo. So I'm just gonna look for paint to add to the back of the Boss Babe Cosmetics to make it look different. You guys will see me playing around with this a lot because I cannot find something that I liked. So you guys are just gonna see me playing around with it and adjusting it a lot, and then eventually I'm just gonna change it to a gold glitter. So yeah, I'll see you guys close to the end of this video. Now guys, if you add an element after your text like I did here, it will sit on top of your text. So all you need to do is hit position and position the element behind your text. Or if you can select your text, you can hit position and position your text forward so that it would come in front of the element. Also, since that Canva is so amazing to let you type in the type of element you want, so I want some flowers, so I'm gonna type in flowers and select the one I like. Now that we have our flowers, I'm just gonna duplicate it. You guys know what the duplicating tool is. It's the squares at the bottom left, and then I'm just gonna select flip and flip it in the opposite direction. I'm gonna flip it horizontally so that I can apply it to the other corner. And like you guys might have noticed by now, I love color coordination, so I'm just gonna make everything, all the colors coordinate with each other because that's just how I am. That's just how I like it, guys. So we're just gonna play around with this and get it to the way we like it, and we're done. Just like that, guys, we are done. This is the finished label, and we're just gonna go ahead and go through our saving process again and save our documents, and then we'll be able to print them Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope I explained everything to the best of my ability, and want to thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. Those who are new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a new upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.